going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Taking a look at the markets today, we see Bitcoin down a little bit, Ripple up a little bit, and Ethereum on its way to the moon. $1,120 per Ethereum coin, on its way to hit that $2,000 mark. So congrats all you Ethereum holders. I think it's gonna be a great cryptocurrency this year as it takes the lead a little bit. We see EOS currently up right now. We had a nice little drive up yesterday with a little bit of a correction. If you notice this pattern here, bullish flag, higher low, higher high, coming down, correction, bullish flag right here. So I think we're gonna see EOS break out this year. So if you're not holding any EOS, I encourage you pick up at least a couple coins, 2 or 3 coins. I think we're gonna see this come up around the $50 mark in the next couple months. I just have a good feeling about it. Coming down, and what I really kind of want to talk about today is spot number 29, Dogecoin. So I've talked to you guys in yesterday's video a little bit about Doge and a Doge Faucet I was doing, and just a little bit about the Doge community. So if you don't know, Doge is an amazing cryptocurrency. It's been around quite a while, and if we look at their market right here, if you've been paying attention to CoinMarketCap, it wasn't too long ago that Dogecoin broke the $1 billion coin market cap, and now you can see they're well on their way to $2 billion with a price of over 1 cent, leaning more towards 2 cents. So Doge might actually get its turn in the spotlight. It has a great community surrounding it. If we actually come over to their website, Dogecoin, it's super well put together. They've got Dogecoin wallet apps, and really it's a decentralized peer-to-peer digital cryptocurrency, and it basically calls itself the internet cryptocurrency. It's originally made so that instead of liking a tweet or a picture on Instagram, you can send that creator a little bit of Dogecoin as a tip, whether it be 5 cents, 10 cents. And so instead of getting likes, it would be like getting Dogecoin tips, a few cents. So it goes straight from the follower to the creator. So it's a way to send creators little bits of money as thank yous instead of likes. It's a way for people to buy music online. People can send a band Dogecoin directly. It's a really creative coin, and they have this little guy Doge. He's their fun, friendly mascot. He's a Shiba Inu. So it started out kind of as a meme, and then has transitioned into this cryptocurrency with a huge community behind it. I'm definitely a fan of Dogecoin. It's cool to see such a vibrant cryptocurrency community. People say that there is no one like the Dogecoin community, so definitely give us a thumbs up today and let us know if you're part of the Doge community. If you're not a part of it, I encourage you, come to their website, download their wallet, definitely check out Dogecoin. It's totally fun, great community. There's online stores that already accept it, so it gives you bitcoinshop.us, which is an online store that you can buy gifts and other things using Dogecoin. So it's just a fun cryptocurrency, and looking at their market cap, guys, I think we're gonna start seeing it moon even more. I mean, we see this really bullish trend happening, and we see the start of what looks like a bullish flag here in the end. So it's a great possibility that Dogecoin could start to moon, even hitting upwards of 10-15 cents a coin, which would be awesome for the Doge community. A lot of people are holding a lot of Doge, so a lot of people would be super happy to see Doge skyrocket. So if you're wanting to get into Doge and you currently don't have any, check out the community on Reddit, because I know that there's ways there for you to get coins and get involved in Doge, and they will answer any questions you guys have. But I found this awesome Dogecoin Faucet I've been sharing with you guys, and I've earned so far just using this for a couple days now about 16 Dogecoins. So it's actually really profitable to use this wallet. So check it out, guys. I'm going to claim my Doge today. The way the wallet works is pretty simple. All you do is wait. So you create your account on here and you wait, and it slowly builds up over time. And then you can claim it every 5 minutes, or you can come back once a day or every hour, and it gives you a daily loyalty bonus, which is sweet. So every day you claim, you get a better percent. So I had 0.29 to claim, but I actually claimed 0.36 just from some referral bonus. They give you a mystery bonus and the daily loyalty bonus. So check it out, guys. Dogecoin, it's a fun, awesome cryptocurrency with a great community, and it looks like it's gonna moon. So just check it out, buy a few, even if it's just for fun, but it's looking to be a pretty solid investment platform. There's a lot of people committed to the Dogecoin project. So guys, let's head over to our YouTube comment picker. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video, like the video, and leave a comment with your Litecoin address down below. Now today we're doing a YouTube giveaway, but tomorrow's giveaway, I'm actually going to link my Twitter to the channel. underneath this video. So go check out my Twitter, and I'm going to actually do tomorrow's giveaway via my Twitter. There's going to be a tweet on my Twitter that you can retweet for you to win tomorrow's giveaway of $10 worth of Litecoin. So be sure to check that out. Today's winner though is Alexander Lalilulilo. Hey man, what do you think about QuantStamp? Is it an opportunity for great gains in your opinion? QuantStamp. I haven't heard of this. Let's check it out. QuantStamp. Let's see here. Okay, currently 71 cents. Right now, what's the market cap? Is right now 441 million US dollars, 70 million traded, and the supply is under a billion supply. So yeah, right now with this bullish market, it looks like QuantStamp would be a great investment. I'm gonna have to look more into this coin and check it out. So thanks for the tip, Alexander. It looks like it could moon. It looks like it already has been mooning, going up as it's getting more attention. You know, with only a $500,000 as a market cap with less than a billion supply, there's a great chance for this coin to get up in price a little bit. So guys, if you want, check out QuantStamp. I will look more into it and find out some more details later on. But thank you, Alex, for the question. Definitely check it out. Looks like a pretty solid coin. I don't know what the white paper or the business plan is for it, but if you think it's good and you're making money on it, then go ahead and buy some. You know, there's always a risk to this stuff. There's always coins that we're unsure of, but sometimes we take a look, and sometimes first glance your stomach says buy it. I've made money doing that. You know, I didn't know much about Tron in the beginning. I just bought Tron, and it's doubled, tripled in value since I bought it. So it was just a gut feeling I had. I bought it, and then I researched it. So sometimes that happens. I don't always encourage that. It's always good to do your research on the coins, but you know, sometimes you just go for it, and it ends up being profitable for you. So here you go, Alex. Here is your $10 worth of Litecoin. Congrats on winning. Look at this network fee. Wow, only 6 cents. Absolutely awesome. So there you go, man. Here is your Litecoin. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Smash the like button if you're excited about Dogecoin. If you're in the Doge community, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Be sure to go check out my Twitter down below and retweet today's tweet to enter you to win $10 in tomorrow's Litecoin giveaway. But also on this video, leave a comment below with any questions or anything related to future videos. As always, be sure to turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video or update that I have to give you guys. Alright guys, bless you. Have a good one.